Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video, we do have some links, and at the bottom of the video, it's flashing grow your money 27% per year. Okay, so we need to talk about all these things before we start the analysis. Now the link here at the bottom says the first one, swing trading on automation. So when you click on the first link, then enter your email, come to this page here and watch this video, and then you will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can get this software, install it on your chart. I will tell you on which pair, and leave it running for 5 years and just grow your money 27% each year. Okay, now this is guaranteed. I am giving you 5 years money back guarantee. I want you to run this for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4, 5 years, because I know this is guaranteed. Okay, so coming back here, second link says book consultation and check broker. So in case you want to talk to me, you can book consultation with me and you can check out the brokers if you want to join them. Now I want to give you one more specifics here, because when you talk about 27% per year, for some people they will say it's not much. For some people who are actually serious, they will say it's a lot. Okay, because when you speak to some serious stock traders or investors, serious, who invest millions and billions and trillions, okay, they are not looking for doubling their money. Okay, no serious investor or stock trader wants to double their money in 1 month or 6 months. They know this is not how the markets work. Okay, so a stock trader will be very happy if they get 3% return per month. Okay, so go and check this out. Go and talk to any stock trader if you know how much profits can they pull out from the market every month or per year. Okay, so if you are a gambler, only a gambler will have this mindset of doubling the money within a month or within a week or within 15 days. Okay, we are not talking about gambling here. We are talking about a hardcore setup method which does not need any human intervention. And I have made this software based on daily time frame only. It's not scalping. A scalping robot will not survive. I am ahead of the time. Okay, so yes, you're you will be on the internet watching this robot, that robot, but what I have done is a daily swing trading robot, not some 5 minute, 15 minute. They don't survive. Okay, so this thing is going to make profits for a number of years to come. Mark my words, even if you die, this will make money for your kids if you give this to them. I am very, very serious about this. I'm giving 5 years money back guarantee for no reason, because I know this is going to print money and it is tested and proven. Okay, so coming back again here, if you're serious, because I will do the analysis, but you go on YouTube and you watch videos from everybody, this analysis, that analysis, fine, but not everybody is 100% correct. You know that. And sometimes you will make money, most of the times you will lose money. So you have to decide if you really want to gamble or you really want to make profits. Okay, because now in this DNA age, I have automated it. So when I have created this software, it's just my human brain into this software. That's it. Okay, and it does deliver the results, but it's not for gamblers. Gamblers means you want results within a week, within 10 days, within a month. It's not for you. It's for people who wants to leave their money at work, set, forget, and then just come and check every month what's your balance. Okay, so I wanted to explain this because people who are watching this video, they are looking for some analysis. But again, trust me, if you are trying to double your money within a month or two, you are just a gambler, you're not a trader. Okay, so subscribe, like and share, and get this robot if that helps you, because it's only for serious people who have the money and they just want to set and forget, and just set this robot and carry on with your daily life, with your job, with your family. You don't even have to check anything. Okay, more details you can find on this page, or you can talk to me, you can book consultation, check out the brokers, and I'll explain everything how these things work. So thanks for listening to me so far, and now let's start the analysis. All right, GBPUSD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we have the rejection. Then this week is turning engulfing red. Okay, so this week's candle is looking like this by now for until now. Okay, tomorrow everything can change, but more likely we are going down. Okay, more likely we are going for this EMA. So coming back to daily time frame, we are below the EMA already, and we have to wait if this previous low breaks or not. Okay, so we are not anywhere near to the previous high, so we are not going up. Coming back to 4 hour, we are below the EMA, new low is created. Your entry will be, if you are not already into the trade, your entry will come after the rejection from the pullback, I guess. Okay, so your entry was supposed to be somewhere here, but let's see if the pullback will happen or directly it will fall down. So if you missed the entry, then you missed it. Can't do much, but pro traders will wait for a pullback and then enter at a better price. Okay, anyways, we are looking for shorts only, and if you are not interested in learning all these charts, manual trading, missing, entering, TP, this and that, then as we discussed in the beginning, go and just get the software and do this on automation. Set, forget, print money, 5 years, 27% per year is not, it's not less. Okay, go and join this broker and join the Telegram for free. And if you want to talk to me, you can book consultation, subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in the next video. So then take care.